How do we measure time? You will say, of course, by watches and clocks. Today, watches and clocks are a part of our daily need. In fact, we can't imagine our life without watches and clocks. But initially, how did man think of watches and clocks? You see, there are many things which happen periodically. Periodically means after regular intervals. And from there, the idea of time started coming. For example, time taken between one sunrise and another sunrise was named as day. So, day is from one sunrise to another. Right? And then month is from one new moon day to another. And what about a year? Year is time taken by the earth to revolve around the sun once. So, like this, the concept of time started coming, and then through shadows and through other ways, the concept of time came into understanding. So, initially we also had sundial. Have you seen a sundial? How the sand dial, how the sand keeps on moving, getting collected in the lower container, and the total time taken gives us the understanding of time taken. Then there is also sundial, how the sun is moving, how the shadow is being formed, and there is also a water dial. So, before the watches were made, we had concepts like this, and then came how the day is further divided, because day, month or year are long times. Sometimes we need to understand how things are happening in parts of the day. So, for that, day was again divided into hours. So, we of course know that 24 hours make a day, and the unit is expressed as HRS, and 1 hour has 60 minutes, and minute is expressed as MIN, and minutes are further divided into 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds, SEC. There are certain things which we can express in a particular unit. For example, if somebody asks my age, and if I start calculating it in seconds, the number will be too large and it will be a very difficult process. But of course, I can express it in years and at best months. But when a child is born, initially we talk in terms of how many days, then how many weeks, then how many months, till the child is 1 year old, and then we come to years. However, there are certain things which happen much faster, and there expressing it in terms of days, months or years would be superfluous. So, there the expression is through hours, minutes and seconds, and that is why watches do not only have hours, they also have minutes and seconds. So, when speed is being expressed, we express it in terms of hour, minute or second. And when we are using a stopwatch to see how much time a runner has taken or how fast is a bowler in cricket, then of course we talk in terms of seconds and minutes. So, it all depends for what we are expressing time. So, accordingly we will use the unit.